Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to add Schlage Lock to Schlage Home app, set up, connect to Wi-Fi and enable remote access. Adding a Schlage Encode series smart lock to the Schlage Home app takes just a few minutes. You will need your phone's Bluetooth enabled and the 6-digit programming code located on the front of the lock's quick start guide or the back of the lock itself. Step-by-step pairing guide. Step 1. Download and open the app. Download the Schlage Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then create an account or sign in. Step 2. Add the lock. On the app's home screen, tap the plus icon or the Add Lock button in the top right corner. Step 3. Select your model. Next, choose your lock model, example Schlage Encode, and confirm that your lock is always installed. Step 4. Scan the QR code. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code located on the back of the lock or quick start guide using the phone's camera. Alternatively, you can select try another method and manually enter the 6-digit programming code. Step 5. Pair via Bluetooth. When prompted, gently press and quickly release the black pairing button on the interior side of your lock under the battery cover. Do not hold the button down or you will factory reset the device. Step 6. Connect to Wi-Fi. Then follow the on-screen prompts to select your home's Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Step 7. Calibrate the door. The app will ask you to open the door slightly and press I am ready so the lock can calibrate its orientation and determine whether it's locked or unlocked. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.